Hi, I'm DLee Inspires, your #1 sought-after self-publishing consultant across the web. And in this video, we're going to talk about the 5 mistakes that authors make when marketing their books. So the second mistake is social proof. A lot of you guys have book reviews, but you don't promote it. So you can definitely really get the audience to promote your book more by saying, hey, look, I'm going to do a book review raffle, or showing that people are leaving book reviews, which is definitely going to encourage more people to leave more book reviews on platforms such as Amazon and also Barnes & Nobles. And so social proof is definitely important. It's one thing that you promote the book, that you say your book is great, that this will give you the answer to whatever problem that your clients or your audience may have. But it's very difficult when you show other people reading your book or purchasing your book, but you don't also promote the book reviews too as well. So it's very important that when you put out social proof, that you also show social proof can be made up of many forms. It can be video social proof of somebody getting your book in the mail and they're unboxing it, social proof of somebody purchasing the book and they're holding the book up and they're taking a picture with your book, social proof of book reviews, because we know that when people leave reviews, usually the majority of people who leave reviews is those who don't like the product or the service. So when you get those reviews, those 4 stars, those 5-star reviews on places like Amazon and also Barnes & Nobles, you definitely want to make sure that you capture that and show other people who've maybe been on the fence of purchasing your book that people are reading it and they're really enjoying it. So that's one of the mistakes. A lot of times authors, they promote their books, they put out, book mock-ups, they put out flyers, which all of that is great. You definitely need that. However, it goes a little bit further when you can show social proof of your book that people are really getting that information from your book, or getting solutions from your book, or getting inspired from your book too as well. That you definitely look at some different methods as book reviews from other platforms to show on your social media and also through your email blasts and so forth, that other people are really enjoying your book. So that's one of the mistakes, is social proof.